Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical World. This is my second video on my YouTube channel. This video is about gallbladder. What is gallbladder? The gallbladder is a gastrointestinal organ located within the right hypochondrial region of the abdomen. This intraperitoneal pear-shaped sac lies within a fossa formed between the inferior aspects of the right and quadrate lobes of the liver. The primary function of the gallbladder is to concentrate and store bile, which is produced by the liver. As a part of the gustatory response, the stored bile is then released from the gallbladder in response to cholecystokinin. In this article, we shall look at the anatomy of the gallbladder, its structure, vasculature, innervation, and lymphatic supply. First of all, we are discussing its anatomical relations. The gallbladder is entirely surrounded by peritoneum and is in direct relation to the visceral surface of the liver. It lies in close proximity to the following structures: anteriorly and superiorly. Inferiorly border of the liver and anterior abdominal wall. Posteriorly transverse colon and the proximal duodenum. Inferiorly biliary and remaining parts of the duodenum. Next, you can see in this picture the gallbladder location and structure. Anatomical structure. Next, we are discussing the anatomical structure of the gallbladder. The gallbladder has a storage capacity of 30 to 15 ml and in life lies anteriorly to the first part of the duodenum. It is typically divided into three parts. First of all, fundus, then body, then neck. Fundus. What is fundus? Fundus is the rounded distal portion of the gallbladder. It projects into the inferior surface of the liver in the mid clavicular line. Body of the gallbladder. The largest part of the gallbladder. It lies adjacent to the posterior inferior aspect of the liver, transverse colon and superior part of the duodenum. What is neck? Neck of gallbladder. The gallbladder tapers to become continuous with the cystic duct leading into the biliary tree. The neck contains a mucosal fold known as Hartmann's pouch. Hartmann's pouch. This is a common location for gallstones to become lodged, causes cholestasis. You can see fundus, first of all fundus, body and neck. Then you can see cystic duct, hepatic duct and common bile duct. Next, we are discussing the biliary tree. What is biliary tree? The biliary tree is a series of gastrointestinal ducts allowing newly synthesized bile from the liver to be concentrated and stored in the gallbladder prior to release into the duodenum. Bile is initially secreted from the hepatocytes and drains from both lobes of the liver via caniculi, intralobular ducts and collecting ducts into the left and right hepatic ducts. These ducts amalgamate to form the common hepatic duct which runs alongside the hepatic vein. As the common hepatic duct descends, it is joined by the cystic duct which allows bile to flow in and out of the gallbladder for storage and release. At this point, the common hepatic duct and cystic duct combine to form the common bile duct. The common bile duct descends and passes posterior to the first part of the duodenum and head of the pancreas. It is joined by the main pancreatic duct forming the hepatopancreatic ampulla known as ampulla of Vater, which then empties into the duodenum via the major duodenal papilla. This papilla is regulated by a muscular valve, the sphincter of Oddi. You can see clearly in this picture cystic duct, common hepatic duct, then bile duct, then hepatopancreatic ampulla vater and pancreatic duct. Next, we are discussing the vasculature. The arterial supply to the gallbladder is via the cystic artery, a branch of the right hepatic artery, which itself is derived from the common hepatic artery, one of the three major branches of the colic trunk. Venous drainage of the neck of the gallbladder is via the cystic veins which drain directly into the portal vein. Venous drainage of the fundus and the body of the gallbladder flows into the hepatic sinusoids. You can see in this picture hepatic artery proper, slantic artery, left gastric artery on the right side, left gastric omental artery, right gastroomental artery, cystic artery. This is all about the vasculature of the gallbladder. Now, friends, we can meet in the next video. At the end, kindly I request you to subscribe my channel, watch the video and subscribe my channel and like my video. I am very thankful to you. Thank you so much.